Hello children, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to study about sound. We hear so many sounds in our surrounding, in our daily life. When we pluck the string of a musical instrument, say a guitar, we hear a sound. Water pouring into a glass, bat hitting the ball, water hitting the rocks, etc. are some of the examples of different sounds. Sounds play a very important role in our life. And most importantly, they help us to communicate with each other. Have you ever thought what actually produces the sound? To answer this question, first we need to understand what is vibration. It is to and fro or back and forth motion of an object. For example, if we stretch this rubber band with one hand and pluck it in the middle, it starts to move back and forth. In short, it starts to vibrate. It is this vibration that produces this sound. Now let us understand this with the help of another example. Look closely at the surface of the drum when it is beaten. What do you observe? The surface of the drum is moving up and down. Now, let's place small pieces of paper on the drum and beat it again. What do you see now? We observe that the pieces of paper are jumping. This quick up and down or back and forth movement is known as vibration. Sound is produced due to vibration. For example, vibration of a string of guitar when it is plucked produces sound. Even when we speak, the air inside our mouth strikes the voice box present in our throat. The voice box vibrates and produces sound. We hear this sound through our ears. Pleasant and unpleasant sound. We are surrounded by different sounds all the time. Some sounds are pleasing and comforting to our ears, such as music, the chirping of birds, and the water flowing in a river. Some sounds are unpleasant, such as the sound of traffic, loud music, cutting of stones. These sounds irritate us. They are called noises.